What's up? It's me, Tyra B. London, and today I'm going to give you guys a quick eyebrow tutorial. So first you're going to grab a spoolie and just brush out your eyebrows in the direction that your hairs are growing. You always want to start on fresh, like groomed eyebrows because it just makes the process just more fleekier. So I'm going to start off with this eyebrow gel from Maybelline just to fill in my brows. You want to start at least an inch away from the beginning of your brows just so that your eyebrows will look like real brows. You don't want the front to look too dark or it'll just look fake and big. So we're going to grab the spoolie again and just brush the eyebrow gel into the hair. This allows the eyebrow hair to lay down and that the gel won't look as harsh. Next, I'm going to grab my dip brow from Morphe and start to line my eyebrows up under and on top. This part is really self-explanatory, so you guys just have to pay attention, but I'm doing this very lightly and I'm using my index finger and my thumb to do this. When you're lining your brows, I always make sure that I start at least an inch away from the front just so that it looks natural. Next, I'm going to take my LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Beautiful Bronze. This is my skin complexion color. FYI, you guys do need to use your skin complexion color unless you're doing like eyeshadows and stuff and you want to use the highlighting concealer. Anyway, this part is used to carve out your eyebrows, basically to make this shape. So I get a little on my brush and then I turn my brush sideways and basically I start to trace under my brow first. I like to start an inch before the brow just so it's easier for me to blend and when it's time for me to do my foundation. But I'm going to drag the concealer down so it's easier to blend once I'm done. Now this part, I turn my brush on the flat side and just drag it straight across like I'm lining the top part now. Now you're going to grab a blending brush and blend out that concealer. You do not want any harsh concealer marks or lines showing. A trick that I like to do is grabbing a Q-tip and just rubbing it under and above the lines of my eyebrows just so that you can't see a harsh line. Like when you're taking a picture, trust, it will make a big difference because it'll look blended now, but yeah. Once I'm done blending, I'm going to go back into the dip brow and underline my eyebrows. And I'm also going to do it on top. This just makes the eyebrows look much sharper and much fleekier. Like they look fresh, like you just got them done and threaded in the salon. You always want to start lining like an inch away from the front because you don't want that box, ladies, in front of your brows. It's going to look like a Sharpie. It's going to look super fake. Like we want these to look natural but fleek. And we're done. Like that was simple, easy, and I hope this tutorial helped you guys. And until next time, thanks for watching.